So today we are fitting the new brakes on the Fiesta. Jake's driven it too hard and now we think they're metal on metal. I think the wheel's loose as well, so someone's trying to claim my life insurance money. So the idea between the idea behind this video is we're calling it the Great Break Off. The Great British Break. The Great British Break.
The Great British Break.
So
Even I can't say it.
So it's a break off. So basically, we're going to tackle a side each, time it, see who can do it fastest.
But the rules are you can only use what's in the toolbox.
Yeah, you can only use a wooden spoon. So it's going to take a while.
Imagine! Oh, and a mallet, wait there. Yeah, so we're only allowed to use those tools.
So we're only allowed to use these tools. Yeah.
Mallet.
Make sure it works. A torque wrench. Some smart water for refreshments. That's it. So we're going for Brembo. We don't like Paget or Pageant or Pageant. What is it called? Paget.
Pageant.
Pigeon. We don't like pigeon brakes, so we're going for Brembos. So yeah, that's the rules. Whoever finishes first loses, basically.
No, loser pays for pizza on Tuesday.
No, because you're not paying me for that burger.
Oh, piss off.
Yeah, so he already owes me for the burger. So we'll include a picture of this burger.
It was massive.
Yeah, he ate it in about 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
That's why it's fat.
Alright, well, you're allowed the jack, obviously.
No, you said not there. See?
Well, I just caught you cheating trying to find some other tool.
No, where's the pipe? That's not cheating. That's just.
You can use this ratchet, it works just as well. You're only allowed to use what's in the toolbox, bar the jack. Yeah, so the timer starts when the car's up in the air and the wheel's off.
This jack's crap.
Oh yeah, let's not get into that. Put the other bolt back in.
It'll need a new bolt. Oh well, I'm insured. You get your GTO after all.
Look, they look toast.
Oh, it's falling to bits.
Obviously you've already lost them, haven't you?
Yeah, because I've been set up. You've been doing B-roll and you've let the timer go to 14 minutes when it actually took 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Yeah, 5 minutes.
It did not. That took you around about 11 minutes to remove
because
that.
the difference is, I'd figure out which bolt was which. So what we're going to do is put all the tools back in so he's not got them all prepared. Back on the shelf like mine were.
You're just a sore loser, aren't you? You just know that you've lost.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Just face it, you've lost. You can't win everything in life.
No, definitely not. When you're cheating like usual.
Yes, says the one that used an impact.
Well, that one. Where's the brake pads? Yeah, there's someone at my front door now. Probably stealing me pasta. And the difference is you're going to be able to cheat because you'll have seen all this. So
No, I haven't been, looking really.
yeah, of course not. You've watched me figure it all out. Now you're going to do it in 5 minutes.
You're just a sore loser, aren't you? Realistically, I should win with ease now.
So obviously we'll put some thread lock on there before it's actually driven properly. But for the sake of this test,
Just test fit.
yeah. and just otherwise we'd have to add a day on to my time because we'd have to walk. Driver's side took 3 days to do. Slothgarage, you see. We don't rush. And we need a new bolt for this as it's now rounded off. We'll probably have to leave the socket in place as well. I've lost the bolt. You've nicked the bolt.
How have I nicked it? It's right there.
Where?
I don't know. That you probably brushed it up and swept it outside somewhere.
You've nicked the bolt.
Oh yeah. I know it's the remains of one of those bear nuts.
I've got some of them as well. You've nicked the bolt.
Tick tock.
Bloody hell. Right, we're going to have to add a week to my time if someone's nicked the bolt. You have? Where you put it?
I ain't nicked the bolt.
Oh yeah, convenient. You said, oh, show me the bolt.
Look at the timer.
Where you put it? Oh, hang on, it's already there.
Where's the bolt? And it's already, it's already screwed in.
Yeah, turn around, you put it back. Oh, I don't know which one fits now.
Yeah, you know, that's what I did, weren't it? Wait for you to turn around and then
What? 16? What you done with the 16 now?
You're just so unorganised, aren't you? Look. It's coming up to 20 minutes.
20 minutes. I didn't need to be the fastest, did I?
That's the whole point.
No, I said the slowest wins, actually.
Oh, yeah. Where's the bolt?
Short, will you? Putting me off.
"31 minutes, 55 seconds.
Yeah, just you wait. I'm definitely going to sabotage. I'm definitely going to sabotage. I'm definitely going to sabotage. So what was my time?
Just have a look at the time.
What was my time?
41 minutes.
No, it weren't 41 minutes.
Go on, let's see what my time was. Oh, would you look at that? I have won. I'm a winner. I'm a winner.
Yeah, stop. So 37 minutes. I took 27 minutes.
Yeah, piss off, did you? I've got it on camera.
No.
Besides, anyway, what you did was you started the clock before I got the wheel off.
No, I didn't.
Listen, yeah, I've won. Just face it, I've won.
I didn't start the clock before. So officially, so you thought you was going to win.
That didn't take...
I'll win.
No, I've won.
So
where's my phone?
This is the biggest upset since...
My phone's crashed, would you believe it?
Yeah.
It was 41 minutes, though.
So that's it. That's the score. 37. So you're a sore loser. You've thrown a stool.
Listen, yeah, I sat down and it fell apart.
Look, it looks like it's been down the coal line.
Oh, yeah, you know. Right, let's test drive it.
Right. So you've got to... So the idea is 60 up to the fence at the back of the yard.
Then handbrake turn.
No, you got to brake.
And then on the way back, I'll do a J turn.
So it's 60 to 0 in the size of the yard. If you don't get to 60, you're going to have to go through the gate. Forward. Fiesta. How does it feel to be a loser?
I won.
No, you didn't.
Well, I definitely did.
No, you didn't.
No, I won.
No. Oh well. Listen. I won.
You can think that all you like. I know for a while that I won.
It's obvious I won. My time was 27 minutes and his was 37. So that's a whole 10 minutes. Think about
I'm
it.
fully aware about how time works, you know. But I won.
No, it don't work like that.
You're that much of a cheater. You probably started the clock before I even got all the shit together.
So you can even see from the footage how bad the loser is. He knew about halfway through is lost. That's why his tempo's going. He couldn't find the tool. He's throwing the stuff around. He's broken a stool.
Listen, yeah,
He threw it through the air. Nearly.
How do I look like the bad one?
It nearly hit some old lady on the head.
Yeah, I was aiming for her, wasn't I?
Hang on.
What a dick. Yeah, there's one near the skip as well I like. And then the base, don't forget the base. Just launched it across the yard. Oh, God.
So, this is what's left of the stool.
That I hand built.
Yeah. He's bust it.
Oh, this is...
Now we've got no stool.
Yeah, I'd launch it straight back at your throat.
Knock some sense into you, probably. And that's it. I won the Fiesta Bake Off. So these were the passenger side. Not as bad as the driver's side, I don't think. If you like to see me win, mardy arse, please like, comment, subscribe. We've got someone to beat by the end of the year.